You can find links to all the products that you see in this video, and as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Well, this is the AMT Nova station wagon, 1963 Chevy 2, 1/25th scale, and this is a curbside kit. If you're not sure what curbside means, it means there's no engine that comes with it. But it came with a whole lot of really cool details and some fun stuff. Like if you look inside here after I build it, there's a phone in there. So it's because we used the phone company. It came with a couple different names. So there's an old telephone in there, and it came with this squirrel. So I put the squirrel on the hood, and comes with this the telephone graphics here. Telephone company graphics. Comes with a couple, I think one's a vacuum salesman too. But just nice little model. If you want to watch the build's up on Junkyards and Barn Finds. We did the full build. But anyway, it's just a very cool kit. And because if we look on the back here, these are all the parts. It just had a bunch of parts in here. I mean, I think there's only like 30 or 40 parts. This really just took about 42 parts. So this is a really good first model. It's also a really cool model if you're going to do, I have two of them. I haven't built the other one, but maybe I'll do one that's all like got the rust on it and it's got like a primer and stuff like that. Or maybe make it as a delivery car for the speed shop that we're building. I don't know. But it's one of my favorite little models that it came out. It's a very cool model. You know, it's just a 1963 Chevy 2 station wagon. Also, it would be real easy to cut wheel tubs if you want to customize something, or if you just want, you know, your first model car. You haven't built one in a long time. You don't have to worry about building an engine. This is a cool car to have. So there you go.